Good morning, students. Today we will solve this problem. See the problem. A limited company issued 9% debentures of the face value of rupees 6 lakhs at a discount of 5% on 1st April 2011. The debentures are repayable by annual drawings of rupees 2 lakhs. Means again in this problem annual drawings is rupees 2 lakhs commencing from the end of 4th year, but these repayment will be made from the end of 4th year, not from the end of 1st year. आत्तापर्यंत झालेल्या दोन्ही प्रॉब्लेममध्ये तिन्ही प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला फर्स्ट इयरच्या शेवटीपासूनच पेमेंट करायचं होतं. रिपेमेंट 2-2 लाखाचं 4-4 लाखाचं असं होणार होतं, पण या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सांगितलं आहे पहिले 3 वर्ष काही होणार नाही आहे, चौथ्या वर्षाच्या शेवटपासून रिपेमेंटला सुरुवात होणार आहे. Understood? Show the discount on issue of debentures account in the company's ledger for the period of duration of debentures. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. So let's start now. So here I will prepare working note of today. This is yesterday's working note. I have space here, so I am calculating here. First, we'll calculate the discount. The debenture issued were of rupees 6 lakhs. So discount will be at 5% on 6 lakhs. So discount is equal to 6 lakhs into 5 upon 100. So that is rupees 30,000 will be the discount. Okay. And they told us that rupees 2 lakhs worth drawings are repayable from the end of 4th year. Okay. Now here we will prepare the table just like the above table we have prepared yesterday. So here first year, that is year ending, then debentures outstanding, then ratio, and then amount of discount to be written off every year. Okay, in this way we have to prepare a table. So see, now we'll prepare this table. They told us that rupees 2 lakhs amount is repayable. Okay, so see, these debenture issued on 1st April 2011. Date is given here, and the debentures are repayable by annual drawing of 2 lakhs commencing from the end of 4th year. Okay, 4th yearच्या शेवटपासून repayment चालू होणार आहे. So at the end of 1st year amount outstanding will be 6 lakhs. Okay, at the end of 2nd year amount outstanding will be 6 lakhs because no repayment is made. 3 years 6 lakhs repayment झालेलं नाही. चौथ्या वर्षी पण त्यांनी 6 lakhs रुपीज पूर्णपणे वापरलेले आहेत. सो अमाऊंट पेएबल टिल द एंड ऑफ 4th year 6 lakhs. अंडरस्टूड. आता चौथ्या वर्षाच्या शेवटी अर्थातच पहिलं वर्ष असणार आहे एप्रिल, म्हणजे 1 एप्रिल 11 पासून 31 मार्च 12 पर्यंत. 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15. इथे लिहिते मी 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15. 5वं वर्ष 15, 16. 6वं वर्ष 16, 17. ओके, लेट्स सी. 6 lakhs rupees were payable for first 4 years. मग चौथ्या वर्षाच्या शेवटच्या दिवशी रिपेमेंट विल बी मेड ऑफ रुपीज 2 lakhs. सो अमाऊंट आउटस्टँडिंग ॲट द एंड ऑफ अप टू द एंड ऑफ 5th year will be 4 lakhs. At the end of the 5th year, they will repay rupees 2 lakhs again, and up to the end of 6 lakhs, 2 lakhs rupees amount will be outstanding. Understood? पहिले 4 वर्ष रिपेमेंट केलेलं नाही, त्यामुळे 6 लाख रुपये पेएबल असतील. 4थ्या वर्षाच्या शेवटी 2 लाख दिल्यामुळे पूर्ण 5वं वर्षभर 4 लॅक्स पेएबल असतील. 4 लॅक्सच्या शेवटी 2 लॅक्स रुपीज दिल्यामुळे लास्ट इयर पूर्ण वर्षभर आउटस्टँडिंग अमाऊंट असेल 2 लॅक्स. नाव द रेशो 6:6:6:6:6:4:2. We can divide by 2. So the ratio is 3:3:3:3:2:1. Understood? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we will calculate amount to be written off. Discount is 30,000. So 30,000 into 3 upon the total of this ratio is again 15. So 3 upon 15. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 2,000 into 3, that is 6,000. Okay? In this way, सेकंड इयरला पण 6,000 रुपीजच असतील, बिकॉज 30,000 इंटू 3/15, अगेन 30,000 इंटू 3/15, अगेन 30,000 इंटू 3/15. सो हे सगळे वर्ष 6,000 6,000 6,000 डिस्काउंट विल बी रिटर्न ऑफ एव्हरी इयर ॲट द एंड ऑफ अप टू द एंड ऑफ 4th year. Then at the end of 5th year, 30,000 into 2/15, so it will be 4,000. And at the end of last year, 30,000 into 1/15, so it will be 2,000. And see the total will be 30,000. So total 30,000 discount will be written off at the end of up to the end of 6th year. Understood? So now from this table we will prepare the ledger account. Discount on issue of debentures account. Here is our working of this problem. We have calculated discount to be written off here. So from this calculation we will prepare now discount on issue of debentures account. This working note should be part of your answer. This is not the working note only, this is the part of solution. Keep it in mind. So तुम्ही ही जी वर्किंग नोट आहे ती प्रॉपरली तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये आणि पेपरमध्ये करणं एक्सपेक्टेड आहे. ही वर्किंग नोट झाल्यानंतरच खाली डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट प्रिपेअर करायचं आहे. ओके, मार्क्स दोन्हीला आहेत, नॉट ओनली फॉर दिस अकाउंट. सो लेट स्टार्ट नाव. फर्स्ट we have calculated total discount rupees 30,000. So on 1st April 11 to 9% debentures account amount will be 30,000. And at the end of 1st year, that is on 31st March 12, by statement of profit and loss, first written off amount will be 6,000. Discount will be written off rupees 6,000 at the end of 1st year. So let's tally. 30,000 minus 6,000, it will be 24,000 at the end of 1st year. So it will be the balance carried down. Now on 1st April 2012, opening balance will be 2 balance brought down 24,000. Now at the end of 2nd year, that is on 31st March 13, by statement of profit and loss, again they will return off 6,000. And balance will be 18,000. So by balance carried down 18,000. Now opening balance of 3rd year will be 2 balance brought down 18,000 on 31st March 14 by statement of profit and loss. Again they will write off rupees 6,000 18,000, so balance will be 12,000 after deducting rupees 6,000 by balance carried down. First 3 year they have written off 6,000 every year as per our table. Starting of 4th year, 1st April 14, 2 balance brought down 12,000. Again at the end of 4th year they will return off 6,000 on 31st March 15 by balance will be 6,000 by balance carried down. Okay. Now on 1st April 15, 2 balance brought down 6,000 on 31st March 16 by statement see in the table at the end. This is the 5th year, and at the end of 5th year they will return off rupees 4,000 discount. Six thousand after deducting 4,000 balance will be 2,000, so by balance carried down 2,000. Okay. Now on 1st April 16, 2 balance brought down 2,000. This is the last year, 6th year, 2,000, and at the end of this last year, that is 31st March 2017, they will write off the remaining discount by statement of profit and loss 2,000. So there will not be any balance. Debit total to 2,000, credit total 2,000, no discount. Okay. In this way they have written off all the discount, that is rupees 30,000 in 6 years. Understood? In this way we have to solve this problem of writing of discount on issue of debentures or loss on issue of debentures. प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स दिलेले असेल तरी मेथड सेमच आहे, फक्त नाव बदलणार आहे या ठिकाणच्या अकाउंटचं. ओके. नाव दिस प्रॉब्लेम, सी दिस प्रॉब्लेम. ऑन 1st October 2015 Nimrat Limited issued 20,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at rupees 71 each, redeemable at par as follows. At rupees 71 each. Okay. So 100 minus 71, that is 29 rupees per debenture will be discount. Okay. Redemption schedule is as under, it is given here. On 31st March 2017 they will redeem 3,000 debentures. On 31st March 18 5,000 debentures. On 31st March 19 6,000 debentures, and on 31st March 20 remaining 6,000 debentures. In this way in these 4 years they will redeem 20,000 debentures. How much discount will be written off each year by the company? So in this problem we have to prepare only our table of calculation of amount of discount to be written off, and no need of passing journalities of no need of preparing discount on issue of debentures account. So let's prepare the table only for calculation of discount to be written off. Let's start. Here we will prepare the table of Nimrat Limited. First we will calculate discount. Discount is equal to, they told us that these debentures were issued for rupees 71 rupees, and as I told you, So the discount will be 100 rupees minus 71, that is rupees 29 per debenture. And debentures issued were 20,000. So 20,000 debentures into rupees 29. पर्सेंट देण्याच्याऐवजी या ठिकाणी अमाऊंट्स दिलेले आहेत. सो 29 into rupees 29, 20,000 into rupees 29 will be obviously 5,80,000. So amount of discount on issue of debentures is rupees 5,80,000. We have to write off the discount total 5,80,000. Okay, now we will prepare table. They told us that the debentures were issued on 1st October 2015. So first year ending will be 31st March 2016, then 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, now we will calculate debentures outstanding. See, on 31st March 17 they have redeemed 3,000 debentures. So on 31st March 16 they have not redeemed any debentures. So amount outstanding will be 20 lakhs. But this amount 20 lakhs is outstanding for 6 months only, because the debentures were issued on 1st October 2015, October, November, December 15 and January, February, March 16. 6 months होतात, त्यामुळे 20 lakhs for 6 months outstanding आहेत. Then they have redeemed first lot of debentures on 31st March 17. So up to 31st March 17, 20 lakhs will be outstanding again, but for 12 months. कारण 31 मार्च 16 पासून 31 मार्च 17 पर्यंत 12 महिने म्हणजे 1 वर्ष झालेलं आहे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नाव ॲट द एंड ऑफ 31st March 17 they have redeemed 3,000 debentures. Okay, 3,000 debentures means 3,000 debentures into the face value, because they are redeemable at par. So 3,000 debentures into rupees 100, 3 lakhs rupees will be redeemed. Okay, so the amount remaining will be 17 lakhs for obviously 12 months. Then they have redeemed at the end of 18, म्हणजे हे वर्ष संपल्यानंतर त्यांनी रिडीम केलेत 5,000 डिबेंचर्स म्हणजे 5 lakhs. So after deducting 5 lakhs, outstanding amount will be 12 lakhs for 12 months. Okay, then 31st March 19 ला त्यांनी 6,000 डिबेंचर्स रिडीम केलेत म्हणजे 6 lakhs रुपीज रिडीम केलेत. सो रिमेनिंग अमाऊंट विल बी 6 lakhs. तुम्हाला कळतंय, त्यांनी 31 मार्च इथे मी दाखवते तुम्हाला 31st March 17 ला 3,000 डिबेंचर्स रिडीम केलेत. मीन्स 3,000 डिबेंचर्स इंटू रुपीज 100 इज इक्वल टू 3 lakhs. ओके, ऑन 31st March 18, 31st March 19, 31st March 20 काय काय केले बघा. 5,000 डिबेंचर्स, 6,000 and again 6,000 debentures. So into rupees 100 is 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs and 6 lakhs. It means at the end of 17 they have redeemed rupees 3 lakhs, at the end of 18 5 lakhs, at the end of 19 6 lakhs, at the end of 20 6 lakhs. So for फर्स्ट इयर एंडिंगला 20 lakhs रुपये आउटस्टँडिंग राहतील. सेकंड इयर एंडिंगपर्यंत 20 lakhs आउटस्टँडिंग असतील. वर्षभर ते लोक 20 lakhs रुपीज वापरतील आणि वर्षाच्या शेवटच्या दिवशी 3 lakhs रुपीज रिडीम करतील. त्यामुळे पुढच्या वर्षी 17 लाख रुपये आउटस्टँडिंग असतील. मग 5 lakhs रुपीज रिडीम केल्यामुळे 12 lakhs रुपीज आउटस्टँडिंग असतील. मग 6 lakhs रुपीज रिडीम केल्यामुळे 6 lakhs रुपीज आउटस्टँडिंग असतील फॉर 12 months. कळतं आहे तुम्हाला. आणि मग शेवटच्या वर्षी हे 6 लाख रुपये रिडीम होतील. ह्याच्या पुढच्या वर्षी म्हणजे याच दिवशी ते रिडीम झाल्यामुळे 0 आउटस्टँडिंग असतील. त्यामुळे ह्याच्या पुढच्या वर्षी काही करण्याची गरज नाही. ओके, नाव वी विल कॅल्क्युलेट रेशो. नाव हिअर these all amounts are for 12 months outstanding. So their ratio will be, after deducting, reducing, cancelling the similar zeros, ratio will be 20 17, 12 and 6, but here this amount is for 6 months. So even though ratio is 20, for it will be for 12 months. So for 6 months ratio will be 10. कळतंय तुम्हाला? 12 महिन्यांसाठी या प्रोपोर्शनमध्ये रेशो 20 असला तरी तो 6 महिन्यांचाच असल्यामुळे रेशो त्या प्रोपोर्शनमध्ये घ्यायला लागेल. त्यामुळे रेशो इज 10:20:17:12:12 and the total is 65. Okay, so 5,80,000 into 10/65 is equal to 89,231. ज्या ठिकाणी पॉईंटमध्ये येईल इथे पॉईंटमध्ये येणार आहेत कारण ऑड रेशो आणि ऑड अमाऊंट आहे. सो सगळीकडे मी कॅल्क्युलेशन करून घेतलेलं आहे. सगळीकडे ऑड अमाऊंट्स येत आहेत. तुम्हाला राऊंड फिगर्स करून घ्याव्या लागतील. सो ऑब्वियसली 20/65 म्हणजे ह्याच्या दुप्पट असणार आहे. सो 1,78,462. थर्ड इयर 5,80,000 into 17/65. So 1,51,692. 5,80,000 into 1265. 12 divided by total 65. So 1,07,077. Okay. Now last 5,80,000 into 6/65. So 53,538. It is 38 and the total is 5,80,000. Okay. So here they asked us to calculate discount to be written off every year. So we have prepared this table here. Marks will be for this table. Okay. No need to prepare discount on issue of debentures because it is not asked to us. जास्त काही करण्याची गरज नाही. जर डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स रिटर्न ऑफ करायला सांगितलं असता तर आपल्याला त्याप्रमाणे एंट्री करावी लागली असती. आपण जशी केली त्याप्रमाणे. डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट 5,80,000 आणि प्रत्येक वर्षी आपण ही अमाऊंट रिटर्न ऑफ करून बॅलन्स काढला असता. ओके. सो दिस इज द लास्ट प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ this concept, that is discount on issue of debentures. That's all.